We're here at a firehouse in Tinton Falls, New Jersey, dealing with a bird issue. These birds were entering the firehouse and defecating in the attic on the insulation. We sterilized and deodorized the entire attic, removed all of the soiled insulation, and replaced it with new insulation. Right now we're screening off all the access areas with a 1/2-inch metal hardware cloth and securing it in place with screws and washers. This will prevent any future wildlife or birds from entering the attic and soiling the area.